I needed to change air filter on one of our cars. It's a 2014 Honda Accord. I ordered this from Amazon. This is the air filter, like this. This air filter has 3 clips. Here has one, here has another one, and the third one is at the back here. So basically what I'm going to do is, here also has 2 kind of clips. What I needed to do is take off those 3 clips and then push this a little bit to right, then push the whole box left to open this thing. Here's the old air filter. You can see that. I'm going to replace this. This is the front side. It's not bad. But if you look at the back, it's really dirty. This is a new one. Basically, I'm just going to use a reverse procedure, put this back. The new air filter is in, so I'm just going to put this cover back. Basically, put this inside these 2 clips, plastic one, and then close those 3 metal clips. Okay, the new one is in. It's pretty simple. Put the air filter inside this box, then push this box to left. Here has 2 plastic clips, and then click back these 2 metal one, and also this metal one back. That's pretty much.